Welcome to BobMath. In this video, we have a new exercise for algebra. Well, our exercise is as follow. We have a and b as a real number. Show that a square plus 1 times b square plus 1 greater than or equal 4ab. Before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise. To increase your skill in mathematics, they complete the video. We have a squared plus 1 times b squared plus 1 equal ab squared plus a squared plus b squared plus 1. We call this equality alpha. We know that a minus b squared greater than or equal 0. So a squared plus b squared minus 2ab greater than or equal 0. Therefore, a squared plus b squared greater than or equal to ab. We call this inequality 1, and we know that ab minus 1 square greater than or equal 0. So ab square plus 1 square minus 2ab greater than or equal 0. Therefore, ab square plus 1 greater than or equal to ab. We call this inequality 2. So we add the inequalities 1 and 2 side by side. So we got ab squared plus 1 plus a squared plus b squared greater than or equal to ab plus 2ab. So ab squared plus 1 plus a squared plus b squared greater than or equals 4ab. From alpha, we conclude that a squared plus 1 times b squared plus 1 greater than or equal 4ab. Therefore, this is the relationship required in this exercise. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.